that, I'm gonna zoom in with my camera here. You'll see that this board has contacts, and these contacts carry current. And what happens with this washer is that the steam deposits this, and it pretty much corrodes this connection here. As you can see, that it's turned green, and the bottom one's even black. And that's supposed to be copper, or a copper color, I should say. And that's most likely the reason why the display board's not powering on, causing the washer not to power on. So those bottom two are really bad there. And even if it's powering on and you can't toggle to different settings, I would definitely come and clean these contacts, because I've seen that before as well. And basically, all you have to do is get a Q-tip and some rubbing alcohol and just clean it that way. And if that doesn't take them off, I'm just going to use this